How to start your first trade on spot on your phone. In this video, we'll go through the steps of trading crypto on BTSE Spot. To get started, you'll first need to have crypto in your account. Go to the Trade tab and select Spot. Here, you'll see all the crypto available in your account. In this example, we'll trade Bitcoin. Tap Bitcoin. Here, you'll see all the Bitcoin trading pairs available. Select the BTC/USD trading pair. There are two primary options when trading on BTSE, limit and market. In this example, we'll buy Bitcoin with USD. Tap Buy and then Market. Enter the amount you wish to buy and click Buy. That's it. You can now trade on BTSE Spot. For more educational videos like this, hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you next time.
Don't miss out on the latest updates and insights from BTSE. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on other social media platforms. Find the links in the description box below and stay connected with us today.